Malachi, what do you think of the snow? What do you think of it? It's pretty nice, huh?
Mommy.
Mom went inside. It's too cold, she says. Hold on to your horses, buddy. Don't go on the road. Hey, Malachi, wait. Wait. Don't go onto the road. Oh, look, where's Mom? Do you see her? Hey, there she is. Hey, let's go this way. What do you think of the snow, bud? Ready? Oh, stay out of the road. Go this way. Go this way. Alright, ready, Malachi? First snowball fight. Here it comes. Oh, right in the head. Oh. Sorry, bud. Hey, Malachi, look this way. Yeah, that's called a snowball. Toss it here. Ah, get me back. Yeah. Get me with that. Oh, look, you got me. Nice work, Scoopo. Snowball fighting.